Hi guys, my name is Cody, and in this Photoshop tutorial, I'll be showing you guys two healing tools that you can use on your future Photoshop projects and or photos in Photoshop. So the two heal tools I'll be talking about are the Spot Healing Brush tool and the Healing Brush tool. And I'll be demonstrating these brushes on this pufferfish image. And now I'll be showing you guys a before and after of what you should expect from using these tools. So after using the heal tools, as you can see, the heal tools healed the dots on this pufferfish. So that's what you expect from using these tools. And you would also use these tools for say like portrait photography, taking out scratches, scars from a person, blemishes, or you can use this tool for taking out things in the background that you don't like, or just taking out stuff in general in your photographs in Photoshop. So first off, I'll be showing you guys how to use the spot healing brush tool, and it's located right below for say your eyedropper tool. And then I'm just gonna create a new background layer to demonstrate for you guys. Before I demonstrate how to use this, I have a small little definition about the spot healing brush tool. It's used to clone areas from an image and blend the pixels from the sampled area. So that's a little definition. So for this image, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so I can see the spots. And you just want to adjust your brush size to the spot you want to heal. Then you just want to click and release. As you can see, it disappeared. Click and release, click and release, click and release. Also, what you can do is you can paint like this. I'll do that for a few. As you can see, the pufferfish is getting um, spotless. So that's how you use the spot healing brush tool. Now I'll be showing you guys how to use the heal brush tool, and it is different. So you want to go back over here and you're going to see the heal brush tool right below it. I'm going to create another layer. For this one, you can't just straight away just click on the image. It'll give you this pop-up, and you can see what you have to do to actually do it. So you want to click Alt or hold Option on your keyboard, and you want to sample that area. As you can see, you see that thing following my brush. That's sampling from the area. And you see when I hold down, you see that little crosshair, that target, the cross. That's where it's actually sampling from. So you can paint, like I told you before. You can click over it. You can click over it like that. These tools are really simple to use. And I would say out of the two, I would more likely use the heal brush tool, since it does sample textures from the photograph itself and blends with it. With that being said, I have a little definition as well for this tool, which is sampling the surrounding area or using a predictified pattern. You can blend the imperfections into the rest of the image. So that's a small definition for the spot healing. As you can see, it is sampling from the crosshair, like I stated before. I'm just taking away the spots of this pufferfish. And that's how you use the healing brush tool, guys. I just want to say, hope you guys enjoyed. Um, these are how you use the some of the heal brush tools in Photoshop. And thanks for watching.